That was for Fire 6. The basics of nozzle and foam use has stayed about the same with time. There's just been improvements made with technological advancement and a better understanding of fire dynamics and health effects on associated with different tactics that firefighters use. For nozzles, they've become a little more specialized, but it's the same general operation. There's the same ball valve operation, same 3 types, solid stream, fog, and combo. And there's the same adjustments you can make with gallonage and pressure that you could have used 100 years ago. And we still use the same nozzles for the same methods according to indirect and direct attacks. Indirect, we use fog still when there's a large airspace where a fire is still contained, but cooling is going to be more effective than getting straight to the base of the fire. And we still use solid streams for direct attacks when it's more contained and it's more safe and accessible. I think the most noticeable change from then to now would have to be the attention to health risks that firefighters face on the scene. For example, we don't douse our PPE anymore because of steam burns and heat stress. Heat stress can cause heart attacks. That's the #1 cause of death for firefighters. Want to lower that as much as possible, obviously. We also require SCBAs in any abnormal conditions according to the NFPA, whereas in the video it said if you can endure the heat, you go ahead and get at a direct attack. We also have a better understanding of fire behavior now, so we close the door and limit venting as much as possible. It makes sense that they would want to keep the door open and keep cool air coming in, but ultimately keeping the fire as predictable as possible is going to be more valuable, and we've learned that with time. That might also have to do with the focus they had on creating steam, which might be relevant more then because of balloon framing. That gave fire a way to climb faster through stories, and maybe that was a factor for the way fire was behaving. Maybe fire didn't go straight to the door for ventilation, but balloon framing let it vent straight up to the top and made firefighting a little bit harder, but tactics a little bit different. Thank you.